Welcome to third standard social class video session. In this session, we are going to learn about mineral resources such as copper, iron, and silver. Let us go into the session.
In this session, we are going to learn about mineral resources. Through this topic, we have to learn more information about some of the minerals found in Tamil Nadu. Therefore, going into the topic, children, let us learn first about what are minerals. Minerals are substances that are formed naturally in the earth. Minerals are usually solid, inorganic, have a crystal structure, and form naturally by geological processes. The study of minerals is called mineralogy. The study of minerals is called mineralogy. We learn information about minerals through a conversation between a father and son in their new house where some electrical work is going on. The son picks up an insulated copper wire from the ground. Children, copper wire are good conductors of electricity, and due to the cheap price, they are mostly used in our daily life. Insulated copper wire is a wire which is covered or coated with some insulating material such as rubber, plastic, etc., to prevent the leakage of current from the wire to the surroundings. Now let us learn some of the words' meaning. Conductor, which means a substance that quickly conducts electricity, heat, and so on. Precious, which means valuable. Manufacture, which means make. Now we are getting into the conversation between father and a son. Son, what is this, daddy? Father, this is a wire. We are using it to give electrical connection in our house. Son, this is black thick wire and there are many thin metal wire inside this. Father, the thin metal wires are made up of copper. Son, copper. Children, copper is a chemical element with the symbol Cu. It is a soft, malleable and ductile metal with very high thermal and electrical conductivity, which means it can able to conduct a current as well as the heat. What is the main use of copper? Most copper is used in electrical equipment such as wiring and motors. This is because it conducts both heat and electricity very well and can be drawn into wires. It also has uses in construction, for example, industrial machineries. It is the first metal which was invented by human. Let us continue listening the conversation between a father and son. Father, copper is one of the most used mineral in today's world. Son, I have read about minerals in school. They are very useful and are found naturally on earth. Yes, minerals are found naturally on the earth crust. Father, you are right. Copper is a very good conductor of electricity. What is a conductor? A substance that quickly conducts electricity, heat, and so on. Son, is it? Father, yes. Copper is used in all electrical appliances, including computers, televisions, mobile phone, and other electronic devices. So, copper is widely used in electrical equipments. Children, do you know what we call a natural resource? Natural resources are important to us because they satisfy the daily needs of man, such as food, clothing, and shelter. Let us identify what are the minerals it is used in making these objects. The given choices here are gold, iron, and copper. You have to find out the right choices of these things it is made of. We have to see the first one dash rod, the second one dash bowl, and the third one dash bangles. Children, you all know about what are the minerals it is used to make these things. Now let us check our answers. First you have to see a rod. So it will be mostly used in our constructions. So what are the minerals used to make a rod? Is iron. So the first one, iron rod. Second picture you have to see a bowl. It is made up of one mineral. What is the mineral? You see the color of the mineral? Yes, it is a copper. So the bowl, it is made of a copper. Then you have to see the third one, that is the bangles. So what are the leftover mineral? That is gold. So the third answer is a gold bangles. Now let us learn what are minerals and its uses. Minerals are the substance which will be found in earth crust. Minerals like copper is used in electrical equipments as it is a good electrical conductor. The next one is a clay, is used to make cement etc., which help in constructing roads. Fiberglass, cleaning agents are made by borax.